Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
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 Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Any doubts out there? Huh?
Sir, in that second module, sir, 10 pages module 1, in that 69th question, sir.
You read, I'm not having the book, I have to search.
What, sir?
You read the question, I'm not having the book.
Okay. In Pisum sativum, there are 14 chromosomes. How many pairs with different chromosomal composition can be prepared? You heard, sir?
You read once.
Okay.
The assignment which I was given, huh?
Yes, sir. In Pisum sativum, there are 14 chromosomes. How many pairs with different chromosomal composition can be prepared?
How many can be prepared? You guess it? Okay, you take the answer and you guess it, you will get quick clue.
Answer they give 2 to the power of 7.
How many pairs are there?
7.
7 pairs.
7 pairs. Possibilities, probability. You can do. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. But how 2 to the power of 7, sir?
If you take height with color of the flower, position of the flower, you can cross with the shape of the fruit,
Pod color.
of the fruit will to pod only.
Yes, sir.
Shape of the seed, color of the seed. Like 7 combinations, no?
Yes, sir.
Like that.
Okay.
Next.
Exercise 2, sir.
Paramana?
In exercise 1, sir, question number 114 and 115.
Our Akash material, huh?
Yes, sir. Page 47.
Okay, you read now.
In the Mendelian dihybrid cross, if the individuals with all the 4 kinds of alleles are 30 in F2 generation, find out the total number of F2 individuals.
In a Mendelian diabetes cross, individuals
Any are
with
there
4 kinds
further?
of alleles, huh?
Yes, sir. At 30 in F2 generation, find out the total number of F2 individuals.
You analyze once slowly, you understand the question. You get the answer. Slowly you analyze. How many kinds of alleles?
4.
Means 4 kinds means double heterozygous. Alright.
Yes.
These are
Yes.
4 kinds of alleles, no? You got it, huh? Hello? What
Yes,
happened?
sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry. Huh? Are you able to hear, Nana?
Yes, sir.
4 kinds of alleles. Means these are 4 by 16, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
4 by 16 in F2 generation. Now you tell me in the place of 4, for 16, 4 are there. 30 for how many here? You do it now. 120, no?
Yes,
Okay, na?
yes, sir.
You got it, huh?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So first basic we should consider this one. These 4 kinds of allele means double heterozygous. How many double heterozygous in diabetic cross out of 16? 4. So then to 30 are there. So 30 means you should calculate. Okay, na? First 4 for 16, 30 for how many? Just you calculate. That is for 120. Okay, na? Next. Next, na.
Sir, next question. In a Mendelian dihybrid cross, the number of phenotypic recombinants is 36 in F2 generation. The number of organisms with the genotype that itself accounts for 1/4 of F2 generation.
1/4 of F2 generation. You guess it. In the Mendelian diabetic cross, the number of phenotypic recombinants is 36 in F2 generation. Actually, how many? 16? 6, no?
Yes,
6 by 16, no?
yes,
Yellow and wrinkle. How many?
3,
Green and round.
3,
Total. Okay,
6.
na?
Yes, sir.
And here yellow means it should be like this or like this. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Wrinkle means correct?
Yes,
So these are 3 by 16, no? This combination.
yes, sir.
This combination.
3 by
So what is asking? So how many are there in the question total? $36. This 30 for how many? Here 36 for how many? You do calculate. Same thing. The number of organism genotype itself accounts for 1/4 of the F2 generation. Among these, 6 are there, no, Nana? 1/4, which one? How much, Nana? The number of organisms with genotype that itself account for 1/4 of F2 generation is just you should calculate recombinants only. Calculate. How many you are getting?
6 total.
How many you are getting, Nana?
6.
6, 6 for 16. But he's given how many? 36, no, Nana?
Yes.
For 36, you calculate. See, you can take only this one.
100.
Only this one. Means 3. For 36, how many you calculate?
96.
Huh? How much you are getting, Nana?
96.
96.
96. 96 you are getting, yeah? A total number of progeries, sir?
Yes.
In that 1/4, how much? How much, Nana?
24.
96 by
4.
4. How much?
20.
24.
24.
Got it, huh?
Yes, sir.
That will be the answer. Next one, Nana. So this is 1/4. This is 1/4. And this is 1/4. This is 1/4. Followed up? This will be 24. This will be 24. This will be 24. This will be 24. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Next. So this type of combination, how much? 50%, no? Nana,
Yes, sir.
green run 50%. But there are two types of genotypes, no, for this?
Yes, sir.
These two types. Next. Any other doubts are there? Please, any other doubts? I will ask one simple question. Okay, na? Shall I? Shall I ask?
Okay. Yes, sir.
This is very simple question. Three is to 1 phenotypic ratio is because of law of segregation, law of dominance, incomplete dominance, codominance.
Law of segregation.
Law of
Segregation.
3 is to 1 phenotypic ratio is because of law of dominance.
Law of dominance.
Law of
Dominance.
Previously, then why you told law of segregation?
No, that was genotype.
You listen. First question, my question is 3 is to 1 phenotypic ratio is because of law of segregation, law of dominance, incomplete dominance, codominance. What is your answer?
Law of dominance.
Law of dominance.
Second question. 3:1 phenotypic ratio is because of law of dominance, law of incomplete dominance, law of codominance, multiple alleles.
Law of dominance.
Third question. 3:1 phenotypic ratio is due to law of segregation, law of dominance, both 1 and 2, law of incomplete dominance.
Law of dominance.
That means only one answer is correct. Remaining two are wrong. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, in the first version, 3:1 phenotypic ratio is because of what are the options? Please tell me.
Law of dominance, incomplete dominance, and codominance.
What is the fourth option?
Law of segregation.
Law of segregation.
Law of segregation. 3:1 phenotypic ratio. First option, law of.
Segregation.
Second option,
Law of dominance.
Dominance.
remaining you leave it. Okay, na? If in the option both two are there, means priority should be given to which one?
Law of segregation.
Second question. This option is not there. Yes or no? 3:1 phenotypic ratio is due to law of dominance, law of incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple alleles. What is your answer then?
Law of dominance.
Because it is not there. Okay, na? Followed,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Third version. Phenotypic ratio is 3:1. One option is law of dominance. Second option is law of segregation. Third one is incomplete dominance. Fourth one is both 1 and 2. What is answer?
Both 1 and 2.
One.
Both 1 and 2. Followed?
Yes, sir.
A little bit tricky this question. If both are given, law of segregation and law of dominance separately, then priority should be law of segregation. Both 1 and 2 is given means then answer is 1 and 2. But segregation is not there, only dominance is there, then answer will be the dominance. Okay, na? Okay, na, bhai?
Yes, sir.
Which phase of meiosis is considered as the cytological basis of segregation of genes? Metaphase 1, anaphase 1, metaphase 2, anaphase 2. Please tell me,
What, sir?
which phase of meiosis is considered as the cytological basis of segregation of genes? What happened? Metaphase 1, anaphase 1, metaphase 2, anaphase 2.
Anaphase.
Anaphase?
Anaphase.
Anaphase 1, 2.
1,
Anaphase it become mitosis. Anaphase 1, anaphase 2.
2,
Anaphase 1. Okay, na? Not 2. Anaphase 1. Still any other doubts, Sana? Any doubts are there?
No.
Chalo, read any doubts you ask, clarify. Okay, na?
Okay.
You are doing your material, August material?
Yes.
No. The assignment which I was sent, that also you do it, please.
Sir, dihybrid backcross also they will ask.
Ask them. Monohybrid test class ratio.
2:1.
ನೀ ಬಂದರೆ ಸಚಿನೋಡ
1:2:1.
Hey, what's your
1:1. 1:1. 1:1, sir.
1:1? Both phenotypic ratio and genotype.
Genotype. Yes, sir.
For dominant backcross.
Same, sir.
Hey, monohybrid. Phenotypic ratio is 1:1, huh?
No, sir.
1:0.
1:0.
Test class.
1:1.
1:2.
For dihybrid. Dihybrid test class. And dominant backcross. What is this? Tell me. What is the phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio? Please tell me.
Nine is to 3:1.
Arey Sachinoda, arey. Here parents you see la.
Oh,
Arey. I will become a mad by teaching you people. When parents are like this, which class now you tell me?
backcross. Test cross.
Which test class?
Dominant test cross,
Dominant test
recessive
cross.
test cross.
This one?
Recessive test cross.
Recessive test class? No recessive test class. There is no name. Test class only. Recessive backcross you should call. Why you are changing the names? Recessive backcross, it is also known test class. Which test class this is?
Dominant.
Arey, it is dominant, arey Sachinoda.
Oh, sorry, recessive, sir.
Recessive?
Backcross.
Recessive backcross or test cross? Which type of test cross? Which type of recessive backcross this is?
Acha, dihybrid.
For monohybrid test cross, phenotypic ratio
1:1.
1:1.
1:1.
genotypic ratio, correct? Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
For trihybrid, you tell me.
1:1:1:1:1.
How many, bhai?
6.
6, Hey.
8, sir. 8, sir. 2^3.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Genotypic ratio,
Same.
followed,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This they may ask. Okay, na? So 4 types of phenotypes, 4 types of genotypes are found in diabetes class. Okay, na?
Yes,
Nana?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I draw with checkerboard? You
No,
require?
sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Still any other doubts, Nana? Still, any other doubt you can ask. Don't hesitate now. You can ask, please. Those examples, all which I was given, you must go through it now. Okay, na? Incomplete dominance, codominance, pleiotropic gene, multiple alleles, uh, polygenic inheritance. At one place I was given. Huh? All those examples you must bound to prepare. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is the meaning of manifest?
Appearance, external appearance.
Okay.
Clearly evident. Can't you see the height of the plant clearly? It is not manifested to your naked eye. It is
Yes.
not clearly visible to your naked eye. Color of the flower.
You can see now, sir.
मेरे को नहीं मालूम है उसी का ही तेरे को पूछ रहा हूँ मैं
देख सकते हैं ना सर एक्सटर्नल कैरेक्टर.
देख सकते हैं ना बोल के मेरे को नको बोल तू देख सकता नहीं दिखता
देख सकता हूँ.
मेरे को कलर ब्लाइंड नहीं सही है मैं नहीं देख सकता तू देख सकता है
मैं देख सकता हूँ सर. Sir,
हाँ
in Akash sir, one question.
सही
If two persons with AB blood group marry and have sufficiently large number of children. These children could be classified as A blood group, AB blood group, B blood group in 1:2:1 ratio. Modern technique of protein electrophoresis reveals presence of both A and B type of proteins in AB blood group. This is an example of.
You tell me.
I am asking, sir. I did not understand.
Did I explain? Parent 1, parent 2 process what are obtained?
Yes, sir.
Then you do it. You do it by language problem, huh? What's the problem?
Did not understand.
Now read the question. Why? Simply, we did not understand. Read the question, guy.
Again, sir.
Again. Where the material question? This is
Yes, sir. If two persons with AB blood group marry and have sufficiently large number of children, these children could be classified as A blood group, AB blood group, and B blood group in 1:2:1 ratio.
two persons having which blood group are now? You tell me.
AB blood group.
Parent 1, AB blood group. Huh? Parent B, AB. Yeah? Both?
Yes, sir.
You calculate now. AB. Okay, na?
Yes.
Here A, here B. Here A, here B. Which one possibility?
AA, AB, AB, AB.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
In the materials given, question number?
69 page number, sir.
I'm not having. It's the material question.
Yes, sir. 69 page number, 26 question.
Okay. This belongs to exercise 2,
3.
3, no?
Yes.
They're doing exercise 3 also, right? Good.
Means previous year questions will be there, no, sir.
Acha. Understood, huh?
No, sir.
No, Sara. अरे फिर पूछा नहीं थे?
Still some other part of the question also is left out, sir.
What is that?
These children could be classified as A blood group, AB blood group, and B blood group.
है ना भाई? A blood groups कितने हैं? 1, ना?
Yes, sir.
तेरे को ऐसा है ना अब? ये 1:2:1 रेशियो है ना?
Yes, sir.
ये कोडोमिनेंस है ना भाई पेरेंट्स?
हाँ, okay, sir. Okay, sir. हाँ, समझ गया.
They are not codominance?
Yes, sir. They are.